I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist at Realtor.com. As April showers bring May flowers and the best time of the year to sell a home, here's what you need to know. The labor market continues to be an engine for growth, as the U.S. added more than 300,000 jobs in March. Unemployment eased back to 3.8%, and wages continued to outpace inflation, rising 4.1%. Meanwhile, jobless claims continue to register at a very low level. As a whole, the labor market has maintained momentum in recent months, creating good conditions for workers, but complicating the Fed's policy decision. Annual inflation not only remained above the Fed's 2% target, it went the wrong way, ticking higher in March as both energy prices and shelter costs have climbed. Investors have reacted by pushing up longer-term rates, speculating that the uptick could portend difficulty taming inflation. Against this macro backdrop, the Fed has not adjusted its messaging much, noting that it continues to seek to build more confidence that inflation is approaching the 2% target before cutting rates, and pointing out that recent data have not bolstered that confidence. The next Fed meeting, which concludes May 1st, gives the Fed an opportunity to elaborate further, but I don't expect much until the June meeting, when the Fed will have several additional inflation readings and freshly published economic projections to frame the discussion. The uptick in interest rates hasn't spared mortgage rates, which have climbed above 7% for the first time this year, and will likely continue higher before stabilizing. In order to see mortgage rates move lower, we need to see better inflation readings, so I'm keeping a close eye on that data. Unfortunately, the uptrend in mortgage rates is coming at what is typically a busy time of the year for housing, with mid-April usually marking the best time to sell. One bright spot this year is that sellers appear to be approaching the housing market thoughtfully and with more realistic expectations. Hannah Jones found that 80% of potential sellers had been contemplating a move for 1 to 3 years. Furthermore, fewer than half as many as last year expect bidding wars and above asking price offers. This more temperate outlook could help buyers and sellers find the middle ground necessary for a sale to happen. In the Realtor.com March Housing Trends Report, authored by Sabrina Spianu, sellers continue to participate actively in the market, with newly listed homes climbing almost 16%, bringing the total number of homes actively for sale to its highest March level since 2020. We also saw hints of flexibility from sellers, with the share of price reductions at a March all-time high. Asking prices still rose, but the jump was smaller than in recent months. March existing home sales dipped slightly following February's big jump. These March closings reflect home shoppers who locked in rates before the surge, and I expect more moderation in the months ahead, especially when single-family starts continue to add new construction options for buyers. Furthermore, the Realtor.com February rental trends report showed that on a monthly cost basis, renting a starter home costs less than buying, a trend that will continue if mortgage rates stay high. Finally, rising energy prices, particularly for gasoline, could have more consumers considering electric vehicles. In partnership with Cox Automotive, Realtor.com identified the most EV-friendly housing markets. Economist Jai Shu found that EV-friendly for-sale housing and public charging ports put these markets at the top of the list. You'll find all the details, including full reports and our housing data for download at Realtor.com/research. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for real-time updates.